happy Thanksgiving, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 419th episode and the 10th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2020. Today, I'm going to share with all of you some Southern candied yams. I love these since my childhood. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. And we're going to cook it low and slow in the crock pot. If y'all a fan of candied yams, y'all going to love this recipe. This will be a hit at your Thanksgiving table. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my candied yams and sweet potatoes recipes playlist and my previous video, sweet potato pecan pie. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your yams, your spices, and turn on your crock pot sugar because we're about to cook some candied yams magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep the sweet potatoes. I'm using 3 medium size, and I have some already cut up and put it in this bowl. So now we're going to cut this last one. And keep your fingers out the way. And cut it in half again. Just like that. And you want them in even shape so they'll cook evenly. All right, now I'm ready to put the yams into the slow cooker. And I lined my crock pot with some crock pot liners for easy cleanup. And into our yams, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to help thicken it. And give it a quick stir until the potatoes are coated. Now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a half a cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, a half a teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box, and a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of pure orange extract. And that's it. See how simple and easy it was? So all we do now is cover it. Gonna put it on low. And we're gonna let them cook for 3 hours until they fork tender. All right, my friends, ready for the grand finale? Here we go. Oh yeah, beautiful. Smells amazing up in this kitchen. Look at that sauce. All right, our candied yams is done. So now I'm about to put them in the bowl. All right, my friends, there you have it. Southern candied yams. Doesn't that look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. The yams is nice and tender. I could taste the orange. Has great balance of flavors. Ain't nothing like candy yams. Brings me back to my childhood. These are spot on delicious, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Yum-o. Candy yams, licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy Thanksgiving.